Team, we're implementing new medication protocols starting Monday. While our current double-check system reduces errors, recent audits show delays in critical stat doses. The revised process maintains dual verification, but shifts responsibility for urgent medications to senior nurses only.
Does this mean junior staff won't handle any stat meds now? MIHIRAA, what about our overnight shifts when seniors aren't always available?
Good question. The key purpose here isn't to restrict juniors, but to ensure timely delivery when minutes matter. Seniors will prioritize verifying stats first, then routine meds. This actually addresses our 32-minute average delay.
But won't this overload seniors? Our afternoon shift only has 2 senior nurses for 28 patients.
The data shows 82% of stat requests occur between 7 to 9 a.m. and 6 to 8 p.m. when we're fully staffed. For other times, the charge nurse will act as verifier. This targets our peak delay periods without compromising safety.
Mihira, I want you to know that your care and attention right now are signs of how deeply you love and protect your little one, and that instinct to watch closely is so important. As you continue managing the jaundice, please keep a gentle but watchful eye for any changes that need immediate medical help. If your baby develops a high fever that makes their skin hot to the touch, or if they seem suddenly hard to wake, floppy, or cry in a way that sounds different and distressed, trust that feeling in your heart. Severe abdominal pain would show as your baby pulling their legs up and crying inconsolably or refusing to feed. Confusion or unusual lethargy, meaning they are too sleepy even for feeds, is another sign. If you see any of these, do not wait. Go to the emergency room right away. At the same time, let's plan a gentle follow-up. Schedule a checkup with your pediatrician for a few days from now, where they will monitor bilirubin levels with a small blood test, assess overall health, check weight to ensure good feeding, take the temperature, and do a soft abdominal exam. This is not to worry you, but to give you the reassurance that everything is on track and that you are doing everything right with so much love.